Do you wake up with your low back feeling stiff and achy? You're not alone. But you don't have to live with that for the rest of the day. These 5 gentle, effective exercises will help you loosen up and feel great before your day even begins. Try these first thing tomorrow morning. You might be surprised how much better your back actually feels. Let me know in the comments below which exercise helped you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on low back pain. Start with the supine spinal twist. Lie on your back, bend both knees, and gently lower them to one side while keeping your shoulders flat. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch helps relieve tension in the low back and spine. Next, we'll gently activate your glutes and core with the bridge pose. Feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press into your heels and slowly lift your hips. Hold for a few seconds, then lower with control. Repeat 10 to 12 times. Now let's stretch the entire back of our body with a standing forward fold. Stand tall and gently fold forward, letting your knees bend generously. Let your head hang heavy and breathe deeply for 30 seconds. Up next, the wall hamstring stretch. Lie near a wall and extend one leg upward against it. Keep the other leg bent. This gently lengthens your hamstring and eases low back pressure. Hold for 30 seconds each side. Finally, let's stretch your glutes with the figure 4 stretch. Lie on your back, cross your ankle over the opposite thigh, and gently pull your legs toward your chest. You'll feel this in your hips and outer glutes, key areas for relieving back tension. Try these exercises first thing tomorrow. You might be surprised how much better your back feels. Drop a comment below. Let me know which exercise you felt like gave you the most relief. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on low back pain relief.
Subscribe for more physical therapy tips. Valley Rehab, Physical Therapy and Return to Work Center.